afternoon, Potomac Frontier Flight 4708 is 16,600 descending via.
Frontier Flight 4708, Potomac approach, expect runway 19 or left.
We'll expect 19 or left, Frontier Flight 4708.
Potomac Frontier 4708.
4708, go ahead.
I got a situation developing in the cabin I need to get more questions on. Can you steer me away from the Metro?
Yeah, absolutely. Turn left turn, heading 270, maintain 5,000.
270, 5,000 feet, Frontier 4708.
Frontier 4708, let me know when you get a second for a question. Hey, firm, we'll let you know. Stand by. Frontier Flight 4708.
Potomac Frontier 4708.
4708, what's going on?
Got a discrete frequency for me?
Stand by one. Frontier 4708, you're good to go here. What's going on?
Okay, as we descended into the DMV area, aft flight attendants has reported that we have a beeping sound that appears to be emanating from the rear cargo hold under the floor, which is where all of our bags are loaded on this flight. It is variable in tempo, but constant.
Frontier 4708, roger that. Let's do this. Climb and maintain 8,000 and fly heading 250.
8,000. 250, Frontier 4708. You're the first notification we're about to send it to our company as well.
Frontier Flight 4708, I'm going to get your intentions in just a minute. In the meantime, I'm going to take, like I said, 8,000, kind of southwest line away from the metro area here. When you can, let me know your intentions.
All right, roger that. Let us work through this right now. We'll notify company, and I'll let you know here in just a few seconds.
Very good. To your discretion.
All right, speed our discretion, Frontier 4708.
Frontier Flight 4708, is everything all right? Yes, sir. We'll be back in just a second. Frontier Flight 4708.
Very good.
In the meantime, flighting 160. Heading 160, Frontier Flight 4708.
Potomac Frontier 4708.
Frontier 4708, changing my frequency 12082, 2082.
Frontier 4708, we're up on 2082.
Do you guys think you have an active bomb threat?
Believe that. Talked with all of the cabin crew, and we only had one passenger on board who was acting abnormal, and it was most likely associated with overconsumption of alcohol. I've queried the cabin crew. There's no indication that anyone on board is posing a threat, and we have no indications to believe that it is an active bomb threat. However, given the destination and where we're at in the metro, I think we should treat it as a precautionary threat.
Very good. Stand by one.
Frontier 4708. Okay, just to keep on the page here. We are currently at 5,400 pounds of fuel. That leaves me at about 1 hour and 25 minutes of fuel remaining on board. My intentions would be for now to, if we can, Dulles West runways, and then possibly have the cargo compartment inspected. Obviously away from the people and personnel, the main terminals, and then go from there.
Frontier Flight 4708, let's do, you're going to expect 19 right, and do you guys want to come in now? Come in now, and we expect 19 right, Frontier Flight 4708. Alright, 4708, left turn, heading 020, maintain 8,000 for now, expect 19 right. Just for our end and our precautionary as well, we're going to declare an emergency for you, so it'll get you straight to the airport here. Speed your discretion.
All right, speed our discretion. We're heading 020. Copy the declaration for Frontier 4708.
Frontier 4708, when able, souls on board.
Stand by one. Frontier 4708, we are 96 souls on board.
Frontier 4708, flighting 010, and descend and maintain 6,000.
4708.
Frontier 4708, go ahead.
Coordination's going on with all of this. Our company's been advised. They're on the phone with the TSOC. When we land, you could just advise where they want us to go and what process from there, and we'll make sure we accommodate it.
Let's stand by for that.
Negative APU, so we will have to have at least one engine running when we come to a stop.
Frontier Flight 4708, when you touch down on the runway, they're going to let you stay on the runway. We're going to close the runway behind you, so you don't have to nowhere to be on the runway. Flight 4708. Flight 4708, everything all right? So far, Frontier Flight 4708. Or from us, just let us know. We'll do. Well, we're ready to get vectored in. If you are Frontier Flight 4708. for 19 right. It'll be speed your discretion and stand by for the next emergency.
We'll stand by, thanks. Frontier Flight 4708.
Your flight 4708 is going to maintain 4,000 and contact Potomac 134.2, 3420. We'll see you guys.
3420, Frontier Flight 4708, thanks for your help. Potomac, Frontier Flight 4708 is 5,800, descending 4,000.
Frontier 4708, Potomac, turn 10 degrees to the right, it's going to maintain 3,000.
10 degrees right, and descend down to 3,000, Frontier Flight 4708.
I'm going to try to get you in here quick. Speed is your discretion if you want to slow down at any point for Frontier.
Appreciate that, Frontier 4708.
Frontier 4708, turn right heading 090.
Right turn heading 090, Frontier Flight 4708.
Frontier 4708, report Dulles inside, it'll be 3 o'clock and 6 miles.
Field in sight, Frontier Flight 4708.
Frontier 4708, clear visual approach 19 right.
Clear visual approach 19 right, Frontier Flight 4708.
Frontier 4708, contact Dulles Tower 134.42.
Over the tower at 3442, Frontier Flight 4708. Tower, Frontier Flight 4708 is on the visual, 19 right.
Frontier Flight 4708, Dallas Tower with 1806 runway 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear to land, Frontier Flight 4708.
Dallas Tower,
Up on top.
Sir, aircraft lands. If he wants to go ahead and clear the runway and then stop, just pass the whole port, we'll do an assessment, get more further information at that point.
Up on Roger.
Dallas Tower, up and we're going to a runway at 19 right, close.
Up on speed on runway 19 right. Frontier Flight 4708, if you want to make this exit the runway at uniform 4, and to come to a stop there at the intersection of uniform 4 and whiskey 2 there, and you go to ground, the emergency vehicle will talk to you at 123.775.
Alright, we'll make the stop when we cross. We'll make the stop on uniform 4 when we cross the whole short line. And what was the frequency again? Frontier Flight 4708?
123.775.
23.775, Frontier Flight 4708, heading over there now.
And then another thing, you they come back with me whenever you finish with them.
Okay, we'll come back to you on 3442 after we leave 2370.